In Kubernetes, objects are persistent entities that represent the desired state of the cluster. These objects are defined in YAML or JSON files and can be created, updated, or deleted through the Kubernetes API. Here are some commonly used objects in Kubernetes. Pods. Pods are the smallest deployable units in Kubernetes, representing one or more containers that share resources such as storage and networking. They are the basic building blocks of Kubernetes applications. Deployments. Deployments manage a replicated set of pods, ensuring that a specified number of pod replicas are running at any given time. Deployments are commonly used for managing long-running services. Services. Services define a logical set of pods and a policy by which to access them. They enable networking within and outside the cluster, allowing pods to communicate with each other and with external clients. Config maps. Config maps store configuration data in key-value pairs, which can be consumed by pods as environment variables or mounted as files in a volume. Secrets. Secrets are used to store sensitive information such as passwords, tokens, or SSH keys. They are encoded as base64 strings and can be mounted into pods as files or exposed as environment variables. Persistent volume, PV, and persistent volume claim, PVC. PVs represent storage resources in the cluster, while PVCs are requests for storage by pods. PVCs consume PVs, allowing pods to persist data beyond their lifecycle. Stateful sets. Stateful sets are similar to deployments, but are used for stateful applications that require stable, unique network identifiers, and persistent storage. They ensure that pods are created and scaled in a predictable order. Daemon sets. Daemon sets ensure that a copy of a pod runs on all, or a subset of, nodes in the cluster. They are commonly used for cluster-level services like logging and monitoring agents. Jobs and cron jobs. Jobs manage batch workloads in Kubernetes. Jobs create one or more pods to perform a specific task, such as running a containerized batch job or backup task. Cron jobs are similar, but run periodically on a schedule. Ingress. Ingress exposes HTTP and HTTPS routes from outside the cluster to services within the cluster. It provides features like SSL termination, virtual hosting, and path-based routing. These are just a few examples of the many objects available in Kubernetes. Each object type serves a specific purpose and contributes to defining and managing the desired state of the cluster.